Why do you pay your agency? One remuneration consultant told me it is simply to compensate for their work. But agency remuneration is more than just paying the bill. Remuneration can change behaviours. It can focus effort. It can encourage collaboration. It can increase performance. It can deliver results. If you think of paying your agency to compensate them for their efforts, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity. An opportunity to drive the performance of your agencies and deliver a return on your marketing investment. Sounds better than just paying the bills, doesn't it?